all these Subies and probably not a single one of them runs. What's up with that, Bader? What's up? What's going on, my beautiful family? Welcome back to the channel and to another Evo 9 rebuild episode. This morning we ran a bunch of errands. I picked up a new flywheel from Josh Bader, my buddy Bader. He had an OEM flywheel laying around that he didn't need, so I went and grabbed that from him so we don't have to run the lightweight flywheel. I think OEM flywheels always, they drive better than lightweight flywheels, at least in my opinion. I feel like you always get a little bit of chatter with the lightweight flywheel, so we picked that up. What else did we get? Oil for the engine, oil for the transmission. Is that it? I think that might be it. Head should be done tonight. All the parts from MA Performance will be in tomorrow. I called them this morning and upgraded shipping to overnight just so we could get this thing back on the road. I'm trying to get this whole car done really quick. Vinyl wrap is already ordered. Powder coat for the wheels is showing up tomorrow. I think the wrap is showing up tomorrow. So technically, like if I wanted to, I could probably like get this thing done, let's say within a week. I don't know if it's gonna go that smooth, but either way, we can surely try. I know I said I wasn't gonna be Cerakoting or powder coating anything crazy on this car, and I'm holding true to that word, but there are a few things that are quite crusty and rusty that I want to clean up. I might do some stuff with the ABS pump. For surely the bracket we can pull off and sandblast it, powder coat it, or Cerakote it. The ABS pump itself, I'm not so sure if we're gonna do anything in there, just because it might be kind of hard. I don't know, we'll get to that later, but we can definitely do the bracket. What else do we have? We have this intake cam gear. That thing is super freaking hideous, and I don't want it like that, so we're gonna sandblast that and Cerakote it. This lower piece right here, this is like a flywheel cover. We're going to be Cerakoting that black because it's blue right now, and I don't know, you're not gonna be able to see it anyway, but I figured I might as well make it black. And then if we come back here to our parts pile, ooh, that was a close call. The exhaust manifold, where is it? I don't know, it's buried back there somewhere. Exhaust manifold is extremely rusty, so we're gonna be sandblasting and Cerakoting that black as well. Oh, wait. One more thing. That fan shroud on the radiator, that thing's pretty crusty. We might as well do that too. From what I recall, that's pretty much everything that was kind of a little bit crusty on the car. So we're gonna be Cerakoting everything. The Cerakote is supplied by, of course, Cerakote. It is C7600 Glacier Black. This is a high temp, very high temp coating, so it's good for turbos. That's the same coating we use on the Evo 8, so pretty much the whole engine is Cerakoted. It's good for turbos, good for exhaust manifolds. You can also use it on obviously parts that aren't getting super hot. Doesn't really matter. So like the ABS pump bracket, we can definitely Cerakote that. That ABS pump bracket and that flywheel cover, we could definitely powder coat, and that's probably what I would do if we were powder coating other stuff, but we're not. I don't want to get out the powder coating system, so I'm just gonna go ahead and Cerakote all of it. First thing we gotta do is go to the sandblaster and get everything sandblasted. Cerakote is really nice because it's a thin, very thin material, so we can definitely coat where the timing belt rides, and it's not going to matter whatsoever. So let's blast these guys. Might as well pull off the ABS pump bracket real quick and sandblast that. And let me dig out this exhaust manifold real quick. I'm not going to do the turbo. I promised myself I'm not going to go that crazy with this. Oh my god, that was not a good move. And you can't see the turbo anyway, so it doesn't really matter. This thing is extremely crusty. Look at that, boys. Alright, so here are all the pieces that we're going to be coating. Let's run them through the sandblaster real quick. I just got some green abrasive sand in there, and let's blast all this rust off. That piece is powder coated, so all of that powder coat definitely isn't going to come off, but we can definitely scuff it up and then Cerakote it. We got all of the parts sandblasted. I kind of forgot about this, so we got to sandblast that as well. But Bob showed up.
Hello.
What's up?
Nothing, just ready to clean your car.
Yes. Can you clean this one too?
Oh, no.
So Bobby is going to be cleaning up this Evo 10 inside and outside.
Yeah, I guess.
Engine bay as well. You want to pull the motor and clean the engine bay?
Sure.
I think the engine bay is still clean. So I have decided officially, well, we kind of decided. Actually, did he help me decide?
I don't know.
That we're getting rid of this damn thing.
Oh yeah, that's on me.
We have 3 Evo 10s together, and it's extremely pointless. I tried to justify keeping this car, like stancing it, bagging it, wide bodying it, doing something different with it, but it's pointless because I already have an Evo 10 and she does too.
And now I do too.
So yeah, we're gonna be selling this car right here. It's all good to go. I think someone in Spokane already wants it, so it's not for sale anymore because it's probably sold by the time this video goes up.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow. So yeah, Bobby's gonna give it a quick bath, and I gotta send that guy some photos. And
are these Cameron's old wheels?
they are, yeah.
I want them.
For your car?
Yeah, kinda.
If you want them, you can have them. We can put your wheels on here. Actually, no, your wheels are too expensive to sell with this car.
Oh, you're right.
We could put stock wheels on it. You ready to order?
Yeah, let's do it.
What utensils do you need?
I need, for the inside, I need Windex and a rag.
Okay.
Probably 2 rags. And a couple Q-tips.
Are you gonna go full snutting?
I'm pretty sure I already cleaned this thing out, like deep cleaned it a long time ago.
Good, I've driven it quite a bit since then.
And then I just need warm soapy water and a hose.
I got hose.
You only got one.
One cheek or one hoe?
One hoe.
I do only have one. I know I got like 7 hose. All my whips are hose too.
So maybe throw a snowball at you.
Alright, let's rinse her down. So as Bobby's cleaning the car, I'm gonna finish sandblasting and then we are going to move on to Cerakote. The car's all clean. Thanks, Bobby.
Yes.
You're a goat.
Hmm?
You're a goat.
A goat?
You're the goat.
Okay.
Do you know what that means?
No.
Oh, just accept it.
Okay.
It's kind of a compliment. Alright guys, we got all the parts sandblasted. Let's get these things coated. You want to start coating for me?
Sure.
Full snout ahead. Like I mentioned earlier, C7600 Glacier Black is the coating of choice today. Make sure you mix the stuff up good. I know I say that every video, but it's very much needed for this coating. I don't know why I'm laughing. I'll have this link down below. I'll have our Cerakote gun link down below, and you also do need a strainer. I think this is a 100 mic. No, it's a strainer, not a funnel. I believe it's a 100 micron strainer. 150 micron mesh strainer. I'll link those down below as well. This stuff's really easy to use.
No.
Make sure you wear gloves. Make sure you wear a respirator. Make sure Bobby's not in the shop when you're spraying, so you want to go inside the car. And... Alright, let's get these parts coated. Well, Bobby finishes up the Evo 10. I'm sad that car's leaving. Are you sad? Bobby's not sad. She hates that car. We just finished up all the Cerakoting as Bobby is finishing up the Evo 10. The vacuuming job, I'm gonna start the vacuum right now. I'm gonna pull off the wheels off of the Evo 9 because we have to strip the epoxy dip, powder coat them, and put new tires on. So these are how they look right now. And we have some OEM Evo 8 wheels back there that we are going to install. What do you think?
Ugly.
Those tires are so small.
Looks like a rust bucket.
Rust bucket? Show me one speck of rust. 1 ounce. Whatever.
I'm just kidding.
It's mint.
I know it'll look good.
Yeah, I know you don't see the vision right now, Haas, but trust me, after the wrap
I see some other
and the wheels, the new wheels, and the new tires,
I see the vision.
it's gonna look sick.
I said I see the vision.
It riddled me this: what car are we keeping, the 8 or the 9? Because we ain't keeping both.
8.
You want to keep the 8 over the 9? Drop a comment down below. What car do you guys think we should keep? The 8 or the 9? Obviously, when the 9's done, it'll look sick, but the 8 has way more work and money into it, huh?
Yeah, and it's faster.
It is way faster and it is cooler. I don't know. Let me know, guys. What do you think? Give us a tour.
Okay, as you guys will see, this is the front of the Evo X, and it's really, really shining white because of my wash job.
Okay.
I'm gonna make your way over to the entrance. And voila.
Wow, that's actually really clean. Black leather. Any tears in the leather to report?
Nope.
Any fart stains?
And then as you guys will enter the passenger side, and no fart stains. I'm sorry, as you guys enter the back, the caboose.
No fart stains back there?
Nope.
Okay.
And yeah. Ooh, I didn't do the trunk. Is that dirty?
I don't think so. I think
Okay.
it's pretty clean.
Isn't it clean, babe?
It is.
Professional.
Give me nuts. Let's see how easy this plastic peels. Hold up. It's so thick, which means it should peel really easily. Oh yeah. This is gonna be kind of fun. Like when plastic is applied right, like it's kind of a cool product.
Let me do it. I kind of like this.
Every other plastic job we've ever dealt with is not done right. It's literally every single one. Where it doesn't peel, that stuff actually peels off. Do you want to have a date one day and we can peel plastic it?
Maybe Valentine's Day date?
Yeah. Let's send it. God damn, that car looks so good. So good. Wow, it's so loud. Which one do you like better? 9 or X? 9 or 10? The 10? Why are you such a hater on the 9? Break it to YouTube. What's up with you 9s, huh?
They just look like an 8 to me.
But it has my VEC.
What's that?
Cam advancing.
Ah.
Did my car look fast? I did some pulls
Did
tonight.
it look fast to me?
I should have recorded the pulls back where I would have wrecked. I had to do data logs for more automotive up to 8,500 RPM. I hit 26 PSI a boost on pump gas. It's quite a bit, huh, for pump?
That's insanely fast.
You gotta go for a ride. Bobby reaction video coming soon. I'll do it when we tune for the 85 when it makes like 700 horse with the wheels.
Okay.
You think it'll make 700?
Yeah.
Is that too much?
Yes.
Should we make your? How fast do you want your car to be?
Like 400?
400?
Sure.
You're at 360 right now. You ain't got that far to go.
Yeah.
So you want 40 more horse.
450?
All we have to do to get 40 more horses is just like turn up your boost a little bit
Oh.
and send it for the boys.
450 I meant.
We can do 450. You need a turbo, injectors, fuel pump.
I don't know.
You already have intercooler. You have piping. You want to do all that?
No.
For real? Comment down below if you think Bobby should send it in her Evo 10. 450 wheel. That'd be sick. I'll tune that bitch. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Motor should be assembled tomorrow. All the parts come in from More Automotive tomorrow, or More Automotive. MA Performance tomorrow. Remember, if you ever want to order anything from MA Performance, my discount code Devin5 will save you 5% off. We got everything overnighted. It'll all be here tomorrow. Head should be done tomorrow morning as well. So the Evo 9 motor should be going back together and maybe even in the car tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.